Hey, what's going on? Zero Day Jay here. Hope all is well. It's Monday, October 14th. The market just closed about a half hour ago. I'm in my Take Profit Trader account. And as you can see, I traded my test account. I got it up another 330 bucks. This account was actually over 1,000, but I fucked up. I hit the daily, I almost hit the daily loss limit on Friday, which would have cost me the account, but I didn't. I got out. I stopped trading just in time with with a little bit of room, and then I just started working it back up. I got it up 330, and then I didn't trade it all until the very end of the day, and I'm sitting here playing this short. I was playing a short in my funded account. Yeah, you can see I got it up 255 on the day, and I wasn't going to trade it. And I was like, oh, maybe we reject off of here because we popped. And then I was like, hey, we'll play the rejection. I got filled around here, and then I fucking was up 20, 30 bucks, and I almost wanted to take it. And then all of a sudden the next candle went boing, and I had a sell order in that I got filled on, and I had two other orders to add to the position. So I ended up, instead of being in three, I ended up with two, got taken out of one for an $85 loss, got filled in two, and then it came back down, and I ended up, after all that was said and done, I ended up 255 bucks. It was crazy. Would have been more. It would have been even more, but this, I forgot. Well, I didn't forget. It just kind of just happened out of nowhere. It was like earnings or some shit. And then I had to go. That was like literally the last trade I took, and I was like, oh shit, I got to go. My brother-in-law's here. I got to go help him park. And I got off the stream. But yeah, that happened while I was streaming. I might make a short out of it because it was pretty fucking crazy. It kind of just happened out of nowhere. And it was probably, I think it happened in less than a minute. That's what she said. You never want stuff like that to happen unless you're trading, right? But yeah, let me show. Well, I'll show you real quick because I got to make one more update video, and then I got to run because they're still here. Obviously, they're hanging out. I haven't seen them in years, in like literally like 4 years since we moved out of New York. Well, we moved out almost 5 years ago, and I had to go back to New York to deal with some family shit. But yeah, so this was it. This was all one trade. This was all one trade. I lost 85 on this one, and then I got 150 and 205 on those. So I netted 255 bucks. So not bad. It's growing. This funded account's growing. I'm at 1,750. Obviously, I got a ways to go. I'm not going to request a payout. The buffer is 4,500 with a 150K funded take profit trader account, or they call it pro. So I'm not gonna request my first payout until I get to 5,000. So obviously I'm not. Don't take that as me putting the cart before the horse. I'm just saying that's my goal. My target is 5,000 to request my first payout. So let's see if I could get there. I'm being very selective. I'm not doing anything stupid. I'm not forcing any trades. I'm picking and choosing my spots. I didn't even trade this the first 2 days I had it, and then I traded it Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, and then I traded it today. But as you can see, we're inching along, whatever, 255, not a huge day, but I don't care. I'm up 1,750 overall. So I got a ways to go. I'm just going to keep growing this. I'm taking my time. I'm not trying to fucking do anything stupid or reckless. I'm just guessing my way in and out of trades. If you were on the stream, you know what I'm talking about, or in my Discord, you know what I'm talking about. I'm making fun of somebody, but fuck them. Anyway, with that said, sorry. It's just funny. I can't help it. I can't help myself. Anyway, here's what's going on with Take Profit Trader. If you want to check them out, they're running a 40% off deal, 40% off any size test account, and $0 activation fee. So if and when you pass your test account, you won't have to pay a single dollar or a penny to activate your funded account. It's waived. They waive it for you. So you could literally have a funded account with Take Profit Trader for as little as 90 bucks. Although I don't recommend the 25K. I think it's much more worth it to go at least 50K or bigger. You buy yourself twice as much. For another $12, you get more than twice as much daily loss limit availability. Yeah, the buffer is a little bit bigger, but it's not much bigger from the 25 to the 50. The 25K, I just wouldn't fuck with that account at all. Don't get that account. It's the worst account. Because when you hit the daily loss limit with Take Profit Trader, you lose the account. And $500 can come up on you quick. I like the 150s personally. The 100s are good as well. But right now, I'm fucking with the 150s, and I got a 50K test account. And like I said, you pass, you don't pay anything for the lifetime of this account. So you could have this account long after this promotion ends, but the fact that you got the test account now means that they will honor the $0 activation fee for the lifetime of this account. So even if it takes you a few times, like maybe you fail it and then you wait for the rebuild to get a new one, or you reset it a couple times or whatever, whenever you pass it, or if it just takes you a while, maybe it takes you 2 months to pass. I don't know. I don't know what pace you trade at. Maybe you get a 150K and you're just really going to take your time. So maybe it takes you until after this promotion ends. I think the promotion is going to end around the end of the month. I believe they said it's a Halloween special, so figure towards the end of the month. Even if you pass this on November 15th or November 12th or whatever, November 10th, the $0 activation fee will still be in play for the lifetime that you have this account. If you want to check this out, click the link in the description below. Use the coupon code ZERODAYJAY to lock in this best deal. Plus, you'll be supporting the channel, which would be greatly appreciated. If not, no big deal. The fact that you're watching this video is support enough, and I appreciate you for that. Or if you're hanging out on my streams and subscribe to the channel, all that stuff. We're closing in on 3,000 subscribers, so make sure you subscribe. Let's get there. We'll do a giveaway, maybe a Take Profit Trader account. I don't know. I'll give you guys a choice. But anyway, with that said, thanks for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll talk to you soon.